In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map in Notion. Whether you're brainstorming, organizing a project, or simply jotting down ideas, mind maps are a fantastic way to visualize and structure information. Let's dive in and see how you can craft your own in Notion, a powerful tool for personal and team productivity. First, head over to Notion and open it up in your browser or app. Notion is a space where you can put down your thoughts, tasks, collaborations, and many other things. If you're new to Notion, take a moment to explore its interface, but don't worry, it's quite intuitive. Once you're in Notion, look for the Create New Page button at the top. This is where you begin crafting your mind map. Creating a new page allows you to keep your mind map separate and focus, and gives you a fresh canvas to work on. On your blank page, type the /key followed by heading. This will allow you to add headings, which are perfect for framing the main topics or core ideas of your mind map. Click on heading 1 to set this as a prominent section in your document. This heading will house the central theme or the purpose of your mind map, so choose your words wisely to capture the essence of your project or idea. Next, type / followed by toggle, and then hit enter. Toggles are a great feature of Notion for creating hierarchical structures within your document. Once you've added a toggle, click on Toggle List. This element lets you expand and collapse information seamlessly, keeping your mind map neat and manageable. After setting up your toggles, you might want to add some columns to your page. Type column and make your selection. Columns allow you to juxtapose information side by side, which can be particularly helpful when comparing ideas or phases within your project. You can opt for 2 columns or even more, depending on how complex your mind map needs to be. Further enrich your mind map by incorporating callouts. Type Yama's callouts and select this block. Callouts add emphasis to specific parts of your content, enabling key ideas or action points to stand out. They are perfect for highlights or important notes. Now, let's add a bit more structure. Type Sometimes Table View to integrate a database into your mind map. Click on Database to establish this field, which is ideal for tracking details or attributes related to your ideas. Within this database, click Add Property and consider adding checkboxes or other properties to help monitor progress or denote completion. Remember, Notion also offers templates that could jumpstart your mind map. Explore these templates to see if any align with your project's goals, saving you some setup time. That's it. You've now learned how to create a mind map in Notion, adding structure and clarity to your thought processes. Remember to experiment with various blocks and layouts to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.